Assalamualaikum and hello to all. My name is Adi Waris and I'm representing the group 2 for Lab 6 Technical Physics. The title of the Lab 6 is Ohm's Law using Multi-Sim Simulation. So the objective for this lab is to investigate the relationship between voltage, current intensity and resistance. So this is the procedure that we have to do it. So this is the procedure for figure 1 circuit diagram, and for the experiment data, we get the result from figure 1 circuit diagram, and we write the result for current intensity measured in table 1. So this is the result. This is the result of simulation figure 1 circuit diagram. So for example, for 3 volt, we measured the current intensity measure that we get for 3 volt is 15 milliampere, and this is for 6 volt, we get 30 milliampere. So the other one is 9 volt, we get 45 milliampere, and the last is 12 volt, we get 60 milliampere. So for the table 2, we still using figure 1 circuit diagram, but we change the value for resistance, as you can see in table 2, and we measured the current intensity from the simulation and also the current intensity theoretical. So example for this simulation, for 68 ohm, we get the current intensity measured of 73.529 milliamp, and for 100 ohm we get 50 milliampere, and the third one is 1000 ohm, we get 5 milliampere, and for 4700 ohm we get 1.064 milliampere, and the last one is 10,000 ohm, we get 500 microampere. So for the question and discussion, example for like we discuss and expand from this question. So like question 1, from your table data, examine what happened to the current when the voltage was double, triple, or quadruple ECT. So for our answer is the value of current was getting greater or increase. So like number 2, based on question 1, what type of relationship do you believe exists between voltage and current? So our answer is the relationship that believes that exists between voltage and current are basically voltage is known as a pressure and current is known as a flow. In addition, if there is no voltage, then there is no current. Hence, if there is no pressure, then there is no flow. So the question 3 also explain about what happened to the current when the resistance downward trend followed. So we, as you can see, our answer from question 3 and question 4 as well is more about the relationship between the current and resistance. Same also. So number 5, we plot a graph by using Excel. We plot a graph of voltage versus current intensity in A for simulation and theoretical result in table 1. So this is our result, our graph result, sorry. Our graph result for voltage versus current intensity. So this one is a graph for current versus resistance. Current versus resistance for simulation and theoretical result in table 2. So this is our graph result. So lastly, the conclusion for this lab is we are able to investigate the relationship between the voltage, current intensity and resistance. As known, the Ohm's law deals with the relationship between voltage and current in an ideal conductor. This relationship states that the potential difference voltage across an ideal conductor is proportional to the current through it. The constant of proportionally is called the resistance R. So that's our presentation today. Thank you.